Okay, this is a steel-based Dremel or straight grinder. Unfortunately, the mechanism, I cannot show it very easily, but this is the main part which is connected to the motor, and this is basically a connection to the shaft that is, as you can see, has this part milled right here in order to join the part together. The shaft is in these two bearings. Once put everything together, I can lock everything with some grains. And that's it. Unfortunately, I don't have the video of this tool on the lathe, but I mean, there are just some cylinders, so it's not this difficult. The shaft has an ER11 collet that can clamp up to 7 or 8 millimeter. The motor is a DC brushed motor, 7.5 12 volts. I will be using this tool with this kind of small grinders, and the system works like this. This tool is interesting not only for some manual work, but also for the milling machine for high-speed spindle, which is meant to mill light materials. Or it is also very interesting as a tool post grinder for my lathe. Now I'm testing it with a bench power supply, and I will try to measure the RPMs. Okay, I'm putting just 10.65 volts. Probably 11 will be, I don't know, 12. Oh, one clip just dropped. I mean, it seems it's working. Some sparks are being created, but there is a small problem, and that is the fact that the bearings are becoming too hot. I don't know if the tachometer, is it like this in English? I don't know if this is accurate enough, but I have seen that 1900. No, 19,000 RPM have been measured at 12 volts. If this measure is accurate enough, I don't know. I don't think that these bearings are made for that kind of speed. I don't know. I don't remember the exact model. I have to check. I will probably buy a separate power supply just for this one. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.